Hey gang, have you ever found yourself going to wash a load of your favorite cutoffs and this happens to you? Well, for today's video, I'm going to show you how to turn this into this. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Not all dryer doors can be flipped around, so you're going to want to locate these little brackets and these screw holes that I'm pointing at. Once you figure that out, you're in business. If not, better luck next time. This process can be carried out in a number of ways, but the first thing I'm going to do is remove the dryer door to make everything else a little bit more accessible. Then I'm going to flip-flop these two pieces. I have no idea what they're called, but one of them keeps the dryer door closed and the other one is nothing more than a cover. Oops, screwed that one in a little bit crooked. We can't have that. We'll just straighten her out and we are back in business. Next, I'm going to pull out these white plugs that are filling the screw hole, just using a flathead screwdriver. We're going to do the old switcheroo here and put those into the old screw holes and use these new holes that I'm uncovering for the new screw holes for the hinges. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Then we are ready to reattach the door. For this particular dryer door, I can actually screw in the screws part way and then hang the door before screwing them in the rest of the way to secure the door. It's pretty slick. Then we'll just tighten down those screws and it's a wrap on this project. Cutoff approved. Thanks for watching and stay tuned. I hope to have another video coming out real soon.